Give him a kitten. Oh yeah, those two wild animals, that pretty iguana and that pretty doggy with that mix in it, loving each other. That's so sweet. That's so sweet. That's so sweet.
I love the dog. The dog, and then the next shot is you with the pillow. Alright, so welcome, Julie and Thomas. Hello.
Oh, pooped out, taking care of her baby. You ready for a nap, Samson?
Business start of Pink
Ready for a nap?
The whole thing happened.
Well, it started, Nate, when we got our first home together. And we had just got married, and we purchased our first home, this great, wonderful home on a cul-de-sac, our dream home.
Yeah, pretty.
He said,
He gets to live.
And
he goes outside and gets treats. Because it's spoiled.
Decorate it the way you want. So,
You did?
I did.
Aww.
A little bit about the Paris theme, because I think this is what I think a lot of people do. They love something, they love something.
And we got August out here. He has a case with the mansion upstairs, but he's out getting some sunshine. What you doing, bud? You gonna go in pretty soon? Huh? Go in pretty soon?